How to delete Grammarly account. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Kriya Login Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar, type in www.grammarly.com. Now once done, make sure that you are logged into your Grammarly account. On your left hand side, you'll see account option. Click onto that. Once done, scroll below and you will see delete account in the red font. Click that. Click on yes, continue with account deletion. And just like so, this is how your account will be deleted. Now click on go to Grammarly homepage. This is how Grammarly homepage will look like after you delete your account. Know that deleting your Grammarly account will remove all your saved documents. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.